So you might also be given a problem like this where we need to determine if the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. And so as they are, it's very hard for us to tell if they are going to be parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So what we should do is we should put it into slope-intercept form. And so what this is going to require us to do is to get everything but just the single y on the other side. So for this one, I'm going to start by subtracting 2x. And I get 5y equals negative 2x minus 1. Divide by 5. And I get y is equal to negative 2 over 5 times x minus 1 over 5. Need to do the same thing for the other one. This one might be a little easier because I can just divide everything by 10 right away. So y is equal to negative, well, that reduces to 2 over 5 x, and then this is minus 2. So check it out. They've got the same slope. So these ones are parallel. Remember, if they have the same slope, they're parallel. If they have different slopes, then they could either be neither are perpendicular. Perpendicular is the opposite reciprocal slope.